back to my channel. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching. So guys, today we'll be discussing 10 tricks A students employ to make great results. So thank you guys for staying with me, and please guys, if you're new here, take this time out to subscribe. Thank you. So, discussing 10 tricks A students employ in making great results. The first one is A students always write down their course goals for the semester. Now, this is how it works. They write down every single one of their courses and the grades they want to make in every one of those courses. Now, this is helpful. This would help them to know how much they would prepare in each of those courses. The next is A students have reading timetables. Now, their reading timetable is very important to them. Now, having considered their regular class schedules and other activities they engage in, they draw up these reading timetables and they keep to it. Again, A students find senior colleagues to be their guides. Now, these senior colleagues are usually other A students, and they are really helpful in responding to some of their questions and also ensuring that they are on the right path. Again, A students always get past questions and previous notes. Now, past questions serve as a guide as to what they should expect in an exam, while previous notes can be really great in preparing for an exam. Another is A students never get to miss a class. They take every single class seriously, and to that they ensure that they're in every single one of the classes, except there is an important issue they need to attend to. Another is A students are always early to class. They take every single part of the lecture seriously, from the arrival of the lecturer to saying goodbye for that day. So they take it seriously and they ensure they're in class before the lecturer. Again, A students prepare for every single class. They prepare like they are having a test, and this helps them to be active participants of the class. And as well, if there is any form of if there is an impromptu test, this is like a shield for them. Again, A students, they read to know, but they write to pass. They read every single thing they come across, but when it comes to writing, they write like their life depends on it. They write to satisfy the examiner. Another is A students know the psychology of their lecturers. Now, different lecturers with what they want from you in an exam. Some lecturers want you to write what they've given to you. Others want you to show that you've done extra studies. Others want you to give so many examples and illustrations. So A students employ this in writing exam. They know what their lecturers want and they keep to that. Finally, A students return to school at the stipulated date. If the school has asked them to come back today, A students will be there that day. So except there's an important reason or an important issue which they need to attend to. Now guys, these are the 10 tricks A students employ to make great results. And also guys, this is a plus. A students never get to cheat, no matter the situation. So thank you guys for staying with me. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps someone out there. Thank you. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.